track. All right, now, let's hustle up. We got some driving to do.
I'm gonna learn to drive. Oh, wait, do you know how to drive?
Yeah. I mean, I haven't done it, but look, I flew a spaceship today, okay?
You crashed it.
Just get in. How hard can it be? Okay. Start it up. There we go. So there's some buttons on the floor.
Pedal.
Pedal. Right. Now, that's the go pedal. That, I believe, is the stopper. And this... Wait, what is this? That doesn't do anything.
Ooh, what's the joystick do?
Oh! Okay, good. Let's try that again. Keep going. Shift it again. That move in the back.
Shut up and drive. So how'd I do?
Well, you almost blew up the whole mountain.
Right. It's a good note.
You gotta get that glitch under control, kid.
Okay, I will. And then you think I got a chance?
Tiny.
Yes, I'm gonna win.
Top shelf.
Top shelf.